guys, today is Thursday. We hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys, for yet another video. So today's Thursday, so that means it is date day for Eric and I. So many of you responded and said, because I'd asked the question, do you guys do dates? Oh, this seatbelt is like, let me snatch you in real quick.
Yeah.
Do you guys go on little dates during the day, or you go at night? And most of you said at night.
And we do night dates, but we like to switch it up a little bit.
Yeah. So today, it's freezing outside.
It's nice though. It's sunny.
It's really sunny, as you guys can see. But we woke up this morning and there was like
frost on the ground.
Frost on the ground.
It's freezing by Atlanta standards. So for some of y'all, that's like, some of y'all will be out here in shorts and a t-shirt.
So that explains his coat. And so before we go any further, let's have a quick outfit of the day. All right, so today I am wearing, we'll start here at the top. Guys, I love this hair. I love it so much. I'll have the link for it below in the description box, but I just love the length of it. Just really pretty. For my top, I have on my bougie tee. Love it. I'll have the link below for where you can go pick yours up at, but this bougie tee, you guys love this so much, and I am always selling out of it. So you'll have to check the link for the top, head over to the store, see if it's back in stock. And I want to send a huge thank you out to everyone who purchased one of the buffalo plaid holiday gift boxes. They're all sold out. Thank you guys so very much for all of the support. Love you guys. All right, so yeah, if you've purchased one of the bougie tees, let me know how you are enjoying it. I'd really love to hear the feedback on the bougie tee. I love mine. I love it. So I have it tucked in here. Typically when I wear my tees, I'll kind of leave them out, kind of knot them up. I love my tees to be a little bit oversized, but here I just have it kind of tucked into this wool blend Target skirt. I shared this skirt with you several videos back. I want to say at the beginning of the fall season, I purchased this skirt in Orlando, and it comes with the coordinating like sweater. You do have to buy it separately though, but I wanted to wear one of my tees today as I am wearing this huge coat right here. So wearing the sweater with this today would just been overkill. I knew I would get hot, even though it's cold today. It's a little bit chilly, but I think the t-shirt, I just like it. I like this look. And I have on these boots here. They are really long, and I believe these are Kenneth Cole boots, if I'm not mistaken, but I think they tie the look together. All right, let me put my coat on, and I'm wearing a Gucci watch and just some stud earrings today. But yeah, let me put the coat on and share with you my purse that I will be wearing today. All right, so here's the look with the monster coat. This coat is, oh my gosh, this coat is huge, but I just love it. This is the coat that I purchased from ASOS. If I remember, I'll have the link for it below, but this is definitely one of those days where you'll need a coat like this, because it is like 29 degrees outside this morning. And when we woke up, there was like ice on the ground. And those of you up north, I'm sure you've already had snow. But so yeah, it's a little chilly today. So I just could not wait to bring out this mammoth coat. And I mentioned when I shared this coat with you in a haul that there are no buttons on the coat. It is lined though, really pretty. And so what I like to do is belt it. All right, so let me grab my belt it, and I'll grab my purse and show you how everything looks. So I decided to switch out my earrings to these gold hoops. as the, hardware on my belt is gold, and I'm going for my gold, my Gucci crossbody with the gold hardware also. So I felt that these earrings would work a little bit better. But yeah, this is the look for today. Eric and I plan on being outside a little bit today, so I think I will be nice and warm with this huge coat on. But guys, I just love this coat. Like, these sleeves are just everything. I just love the entire look of it. Like, you could just have on really nothing that looks like nothing, to use a double negative, but your outfit could just be really trash underneath, but you throw this coat on and it's just instantly amazing. I absolutely love it. So if it's still available, I will absolutely have the link for you below in the description box. But remember, I did pick it up at ASOS. And guys, like, the coat, I think it looks a lot more expensive than it actually was. I think it was like $165 or something like that. A really great deal. You will have this coat forever. It is so stinking well made. Look at the texture on it. Oh gosh, it is just so pretty. Like, you guys see that color? Oh, so pretty. This, again, I know you guys know Gucci is my absolute favorite designer, and I just get all kind of Gucci vibes with this coat. Have you guys seen the recent campaign where Beyonce is just dripping in all sorts of Gucci goodness? I get these vibes. Of course, I'm not going to put mine on with a swimsuit, but I just love this look. Eric's downstairs waiting on me. I'm up here posing, but this coat, guys, you got to get this coat. Oh, it is so everything. All right, that's it. We're not doing a whole lot today. Like, when we go on our date days, sometimes we go shopping, and
you hate that, don't you?
Yeah, I hate going shopping. Like, that is the worst one. Not really. Today we're going, among other places, I want to go to IKEA and pick up a few of their plants. For me, IKEA, in my opinion, has the best plants for indoors.
Better than Home Depot.
Better than Home Depot,
Lowe's.
better than Lowe's, better than, we have a Pikes here.
Pikes is like a local chain. They're better than Pikes. Okay.
No, their plants are, especially if you like clean lines in your home for the most part,
It's that Scandinavian.
Yeah, IKEA has that whole Scandinavian vibe, and I just feel they get it right when it comes to plants, and also their, the decor, the pots and everything that go along with their plants. So I'm just looking to add a few more plants to the downstairs area of the house. So I just want to go and take a look at what they have. And because this is date day, I think what we'll do, babe, is start bringing them along for our date days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just say this as a guy too, on the subject of houseplants. Maybe this is a guy thing. I don't know. Maybe it's not. I don't get the point of houseplants.
Really?
Not live houseplants. Because here's the thing. You get the fake ones now.
Well,
I don't know who's honking.
What's going on?
The fake ones now look just as good as the real ones, and you guys, especially you, get the real ones, and they die on you. What happened to the fiddle
Don't try it.
What is it? Fiddle fig?
Fiddle leaf fig plant. And
those are not cheap.
Well, I think you have to get the plants that work with the amount of light in your home. While I think we have great lighting in our home, man, those plants are like...
But that's what I'm saying. It seems like all house plants, I guess, unless you get like a cactus, like you had to have a lot of light. And most houses, and I think our house gets a lot of light, but it's still not enough.
Yeah,
in a lot of cases.
I think the ones that I have now, they're doing really good. And so here's the point too, buying it in IKEA. IKEA's garden center is inside.
It is dark in there.
So if their plants can survive you know, in that environment, in a, you know, a warehouse type building, they'll be able to sustain, I think, in our home. I think they were blowing because they wanted them to go up so they could make this right turn.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here's the challenge
Sorry
then.
to this man.
You guys keep her honest. You see the date on this video where she's buying this plant. You guys come back 2 or 3 months from now, see if that plant is still alive.
Yeah, I've been doing real good. Honestly, the only plant that I ever had problems with was the fiddly fig.
And that was like the craze. I don't know, all of y'all are going crazy over that plant.
Yeah, because they just look so good in pictures. They just look so good in pictures. I just love it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and enjoy our drive. And we'll check back in with you guys once we get to IKEA. Whose peace sign looks better?
You gotta do the wide.
Eric, that's an L. That's an L. This is the peace sign. You can either do it the skin showing or the palm showing.
The palm is like the 70s, like peace and love.
No, but you got to do it sideways. This makes it more cool. Peace.
The fact that you said it makes it cool is not cool.
It's not.
No, you just blew it.
Sorry, guys. Sorry to this man. Before heading over to IKEA, we're going to grab a bite to eat, and but we're right back. Where are we? What is this called? The Arc de Triomphe?
This is the Millennium Gate, which, like a lot of cities have kind of their versions of the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. I know New York has a bunch of arches. So this is ours. We're at Atlantic Station in Atlanta, which if you ever come to Atlanta, the Atlantic Station area is a nice place to kind of hang out and shop and eat. And near the Atlantic Station area, you have like this little park area where we're at between Atlantic Station and IKEA. And that's the Millennium Gate. There's actually a museum in there. It's really inexpensive. If you want to knock out a quick 30 minutes to an hour, come down here and take pictures. It's a great picture spot.
Yeah, there are actually some people, my lips are sticking. There are actually some people up there right now taking pictures. Not sure if you guys can see
very
that.
Instagrammable. Very Instagrammable. More views of the Millennium Gate. Look at this one. We're not doing Instagram pics right now. We've already done all that. Big ham. So yeah, this is the Millennium Gate. And like I said, there's a museum in there at the top, very top there, that darker part. You get a great view of the city. So Atlantic Station, you know, fun place to come and hang out if you're ever in Atlanta. So I have a question for those of you that are in relationships. Do you and your significant other either A, dress totally alike, i.e. wear the same exact outfit, or B, wear the same color? So today, you know, I pulled out my army green coat today, and of course this one
I had already got my outfit of the day.
green.
I'd already done my outfit of the day. Y'all saw it.
You can't be like me.
When I came downstairs, he was like, I already put my coat in the car. Guys, we're on the street and it's so loud. He went and put his coat in the car and hid it because he knew that I was going to wear this.
You want to dress like me?
You heard me getting dressed.
Copy my swag. It's all good.
What if? We have decided to walk over to McAllister's Deli and grab lunch. I almost forgot to show you guys what I ordered. So this is the mushroom soup. It's really, really good. And then this is like a ham and cheese melt. It's really good. The bread is really soft. And Eric got the same thing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and finish our lunch, and we'll see you guys over at IKEA. So lunch was great. This is our view right now. So this is where we ate, right there, McAllister's, right there. And Eric, let's get across so that we don't get hit. All right, so this is Atlantic Station / Midtown. It's like a fairly new area. But like I was saying in the restaurant, here in Atlanta, if you build it, we will come.
We are full.
We're full, guys. Like, this is all built up. But yeah, lunch was nice. So if you're ever over this area, you gotta check it out. Made it to IKEA. All right, so IKEA is one of those places, let's say like a Walmart, even a Target. You go in for just one thing and you just start perusing around for whatever reason, and you leave with items that you did not need, right, babe?
Absolutely.
I don't know, an IKEA little pro tip. Come to IKEA during the week. Oh my gosh, Eric, I could live in this room right here. Come to IKEA during the week, and then it's not as crowded. Look at this.
This is straight up 1980s.
Oh my gosh, if I lived in New York, this is what
retro.
my place would look like. This is so retro, guys. I'm gonna turn y'all around. You guys see this place? Oh, let me see if I can brighten it up a little bit. Oh my gosh. How freaking cool. Roach picture on the wall.
I said that last time.
Wait, why would I want that?
I said that was a cultural.
It's gotta be. Oh, I have a question for you guys. So, Eric, who's your best friend?
You.
Alright, so Eric's my best friend. I'm his best friend. So I have a question. Should your spouse be your best friend? Those of you who, you know, you're married and your spouse isn't your best friend, who's your best friend? I feel like, babe, you gonna take the bucket with you?
I'll let you have it.
Okay. I feel like, thank you. I feel like having a spouse as your best friend, I think it's like natural. I think it's ideal, because who knows you better? Who knows you better than your spouse?